Identifying a rough diamond at home can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and simple tests, you can get a good idea whether the stone you have is a real diamond or just a look-alike. While professional gemologists use advanced tools, there are several effective methods you can safely try at home. Tash. What is a rough diamond? A rough diamond is a natural diamond that has not been cut or polished. Unlike polished diamonds, rough diamonds usually have an irregular shape, dull surfaces, and may look cloudy or greasy. Many people mistake quartz or other minerals for rough diamonds because of their similar appearance. Visual inspection. Start with a careful visual examination. Shape. Rough diamonds rarely have smooth or rounded shapes. They often look angular or crystal-like. Surface. Real rough diamonds usually have a greasy or oily appearance rather than a glassy shine. Edges. Diamond edges are sharp and well-defined, not worn or smooth. Transparency. Most rough diamonds are not perfectly clear. They often appear milky or cloudy. The scratch test with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. A real diamond should scratch glass easily. Warning, this test can damage the stone or the glass and is not 100% reliable. Use it only as a preliminary check. The water test. This simple test helps identify density. 1. Fill a glass with water. 2. Drop the stone into the water. Real diamond sinks immediately to the bottom. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. Fog test. Breathe on the stone as if fogging a mirror. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly. Fake stones remain foggy for a few seconds. Check for natural inclusions. Use a magnifying glass or loupe. Real rough diamonds often contain tiny natural inclusions or imperfections. Completely flawless stones are usually synthetic or fake. UV light test. If you have access to UV light, many natural diamonds glow blue under UV light. No glow does not always mean it's fake, but unusual colors can be a warning sign. Weight comparison. Diamonds are dense. If the stone feels lighter than expected for its size, it may not be a diamond. Compare it with a known mineral of similar size if possible. Common stones mistaken for rough diamonds. Quartz, zircon, topaz, calcite. These stones may look similar but lack the hardened properties of real diamonds. When to see a professional. Home tests can give you clues, but they are not definitive. If the stone seems promising, take it to a certified gemologist or diamond testing laboratory for accurate identification. Final thoughts. Learning how to identify a rough diamond at home can save time and help you avoid scams. By combining visual inspection with simple tests like water, fog, and scratch tests, you can make a better judgment. However, professional verification is always the final and safest step.